Hello everyone, my name is Michelle. So what in this video what we are going to look at is a new browser called Zen browser. Previously it was Brave was my default browser. Now I've just recently switched to Zen. It is not a new browser, but it's still in beta. But it was released a few months back, I guess. But it's a really cool browser. I really liked it, so I was sharing just a quick overview of what I was doing in Zen browser. That's it. Let's get started. Cool. So this is Zen browser. It's called Welcome to a calmer internet, and it is really calmer compared to, let's say, other browsers such as Brave. Because with Brave, what is the main issue is that there are a lot of tabs. I just open a lot of tabs. This is just my personal tab, but let's say there are many other instances where I'm having like 20-30 tabs open, and I always tend to move tab. It's not the tab, it's just that I'm working something else, but I have a YouTube on my another tab, and I'm like, okay, fine, I should click click YouTube accidentally over there. So this is just a really good browser. So I'll just show you all the things. I'm using Zen browser currently. It's based on Firefox. So it's Command S. If you press Command S or Control S, you will get the side view, which is really good, which I really like. And if you press Command Option, just to arrow keys, you will switch spaces. So this is basically my work instance, and this is my personal instance. And if you click 3 times over here, so this is basically my side projects, hobbies, workspace. So that's with 3 over here. So this is a dress me which app which I created, but that's not the main topic over here. So I'll just show you the spaces, and there are many shortcuts. Which is Command Option plus will or Command Shift plus will give you a split view, and you can open anything you want over here. So yeah, so Command Shift plus, let me just open my website. So that's how it's done. So the really good shortcuts over here. You can hide the command as Control S, and if you go over here, and you can also hover it to make it viewable. And what I've done is that we can also create new spaces over here and folders. So I'll just show you a few folders with regards to my workspaces. So I have all the repos which I work on the repos, and I have all the Jira tickets and conference documentation under this folder over here. There's one feature which I really like is that all these separate spaces are separate instances or containers, if you remember. So I'll just take the extensions. Uh, Containers. So there's a really good extension called containers by Firefox. It's basically you have multi-container setup. So if you take personal container, that will be it will be all the logins, everything is contained to that personal thing. If you take work container, everything is work container. So this is everything, all this thing runs on work container. So my Google sign-ins are not messed up, my email is not messed up. This is everything personal container. This is everything in, let's say, fun or that kind of container which I created separately for this. So most of the, it's basically based on Firefox. It's a really good version of Firefox which I really like. This is awesome also which I like. So Control T or Command T if you type, and if, let's say, if you are already having an existing thing, you can just switch to that tab. So if and this same website is open on multiple groups, so that's why if I click this will open to the the new instance which I created. I can also just go let's say split. If I search for split, I can actually vertical new folder, but no, I'm not actually searching for new folder. I was searching for split a view, open in theme picker, open a new window, open in private window. I was checking for open split. Oh shit, I forgot it's the horizontal. Oh shit, let me just confirm here. So it's like yeah, you can also change workspace over here. Then there are essentials. This is similar to Arc browser, you can say. There are many essentials over here, so we can add, just right click and add essentials over there. These are the main features. So it's just Zen browser a really good experience. We have liked it overall. It's awesome browser. I really liked it. I was thinking about going with Arc browser initially, but Arc is not supported. It's currently I'm running in macOS, of course, but Zen is supported all 3 platforms, and I really love Linux. So if it's supported Linux, then I'll use it. So Arc Arc didn't fit that criteria for me. So Zen is good, and it's also based on Firefox. You can all install all the uBlock origin and things, ad blocking and stuff. So yeah, that's just a quick intro of how Zen browser works. It's short and sweet, nothing major updates. That's it from my side. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.